Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got an Alpha 100 on the bench. This was brought in to have a new ribbon put in it and see if it would work for a 10-year-old boy. And I says, when I see it, I says, no, this will not work. I knew it before I even opened the lid. This model does not take a ribbon. See that? No ribbon cartridge, no correction cartridge, even though it's got a correction button on here. What the heck is that about? I don't know. So, this is how it works. Let me get some more light in here. Okay. So, you tilt this head back, and then you can get to the print wheel. When you get to the print wheel, it's hard to get off. Then I'm going to pry it off this way. Pop it off. Get that wheel off of there. Come on. There it goes. So there is no ribbon. All there is this little ink roller, like a calculator ink roller from back in the day. There it is right there. And I inked this thing up a little bit because it wasn't working, but this is not really a workable typewriter. Alright, this thing fits in here some way or another. Like that. Sort of. Come on, buddy. I don't even know. Okay, and I think you have to put this in first, and then you can snap the print wheel in. There's no way to get it around it. I tried. Okay, let's put the print wheel back in. I think that's in there. Let's turn this on. Power up, and here we go. We're going to give this a little test run. That's how she works. Tested. Let's try the correction. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, doesn't correct. Makes it darker. I don't know what the correction means on this. I just don't understand, but just thought I'd give this little ink roller typewriter a demonstration. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.